Alright, we're going to get started with those of you who do not know how to get into Google Classroom. So we're just going to go over just some basic things that you can do. First thing you're going to do is log into My Backpack. You're going to scroll over to the Google Classroom icon. This icon is on your My Backpack as well as your students. Once you click on that, you are automatically shot into Google Classroom. I have a couple of classes, so I see something here, you may not. You will need to come over to this plus sign. It says create or join a class. Click on that. You are going to create a class. So you're going to create a class and you can name it anything. I'm going to name mine Test Classroom just for this tutorial purpose. You can put in the section, first semester, or you can just put, first semester is good. And subject, just to let your students know what's going on. So subject, I'm going to say I'm going to be a math teacher today. Okay, applied mathematics, whatever. I hit create. So I'm creating my class, and next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to give your students an opportunity to add themselves to the class. So let's look at what that looks like. Alright, so this is my classroom. Over here at the top there's stream, students, and about. So click on students. You want to invite your students. There is a class code right here. You can write that on a sheet of paper or on your board to invite your students. I'll let you know what that looks like for a full class after we've done all of that. But this is your code on the right side, left side, where you write this code down, and that's what they use to join a class. So let's go back to stream. Okay, so this is your stream. This is where all of your materials and assignments and all of that good stuff will show up. If you look at the bottom right of your screen, you see this little plus sign. Here is where you can create an announcement. That's just a basic welcome to your class. So if you want to follow along with me, you can say, welcome to my class. You're expected to review the syllabus by the end of the week. Right? So it's not a particular topic, though you can create a topic. So let's say if you want this all to be a discussion question, not a discussion question, but you want things that are pertaining to a particular unit. You could create Unit 1 and that be a topic. That way you could always search Unit 1 for all of the assignments and discussion points that have to go along with Unit 1. You will also see that you can attach things here. You can post a YouTube video or you can post a link to anything. So let's say you said you want them to review the syllabus. Then you would click on this attach button and you can select a file from your computer and attach it there. So if I have a syllabus, I'm going to say that, this right here is my syllabus. I hit open, I attach it, and upload it. Now it's attached to my announcement, and you can see I can post it then. If you look here, it says up here at the top 4. So I am sending this to my test classroom for first semester. But let's say I have multiple classrooms. So if you want to send this out to all of your classes, you could then click all of your classes after you've made them, and then send them out to all of your students. So I'm going to post that. So this is posted in my test classroom. That is my first little assignment or welcome for them to do. It is not an assignment because I haven't attached a date to it. But let's look at how to do that. So I can create an assignment. Click on that. So if I want to create an assignment, let's say complete the worksheet. Complete worksheet for Unit 1. I can give them instructions here, and then I'm going to attach a due date. So the due date is going to be 2 Fridays from now. Okay? I'm also going to attach a topic, Unit 1. And then if I would like to, I can go ahead and click on the worksheet. I'm going to attach that one there. I hit upload. So I've uploaded, got it. I've uploaded the assignment for the unit. It's going out to all of my students in this particular class, and I'm going to assign it. The last thing you're going to do is click onto the plus sign and click on create question. This is where you would do discussion questions. You can ask anything. You can apply a due date if you would like to, or you can add in an attachment, a video again, or a link to some website they can do that. Students can reply to each other, or they can edit the answer once they've submitted it if you would like. The next thing I'm going to show you is what a student's classroom looks like. Okay, so this is a classroom in which I am a student. So I can see all of the assignments. You see how many assignments have been completed or not completed. It also has a document for one of the assignments that I need to look at. Here is a discussion question where one of our group members has to put in their discussion. And there's multiple people adding things to the list to just kind of chat and talk about different things. So this is what the student will see. If you want to complete an assignment, so let's say I wanted to complete this assignment, I would click on the assignment and it shows who's done and who isn't done. This is the student work. So you can add a grade if you are the teacher, and you would be able to see all of your students' assignments there and click on them. You can see who hasn't completed anything and who has attached an assignment or a completed assignment. You can also go to About and click on the Class Drive folder, and you can type in, or drop in assignments for your students in their drive. So you could put in videos, you could put in folders that have unit specific or project specific materials, and it's a great way to keep everything in one place, especially if you have students who aren't going to be able to meet in your classroom or have a problem coming to class on time. So that is the basics for Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please reach out to this lady right here. That is Jan Dickerson. She is the one who will give you an in-depth overview of how to add class grades, how to make adjustments to your Google Classroom. There are things that I don't know how to do, but she's a really good resource to be able to get that done.